ఇక దుండిగల్ ఎయిర్ ఫోర్స్ అకాడమీలో కంబైన్డ్ గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ పెరేడ్ జరుగుతోంది. ఇక దీనికి ముఖ్య అతిథిగా కేంద్ర రక్షణ శాఖ మంత్రి రాజ్నాథ్ సింగ్ హాజరయ్యారు. ఈ పెరేడ్ లో 213 మంది యువ పైలట్లు సైనిక విన్యాసాలు చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. పైలట్లతో పాటు విన్యాసాలు చేస్తున్నారు ఇతర దేశాల సైనికాధికారులు కూడా. ఒకసారి లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం. Change formation to close order and continue with quick march to reposition in front of the dais. The band is now marching in front of you, playing the tune Vayu Shakti, composed by Air Veteran Wing Commander P.K. Jena, Vishesh Seva Medal. Ladies and gentlemen, the confidence and pride in the marching contingents is an unsaid word exhibiting the thought, together we march to a new life, each step ahead of the other. Not looking back, but still remembering our roots, looking ahead to
to inculcate in others what we have learned in here. As the parade contingent marches by, arms swinging in synchronization, heels digging in, we are proud of the burning desire that the training at the Air Force Academy has kindled in these young cadets. During their training at the Air Force Academy, the trainees being commissioned today have imbibed knowledge, leadership skills, and value systems. Most importantly, they have been trained to lead with professionalism and dedication. This is in accordance with the mission of the Air Force Academy to train air warriors of highest professional, intellectual, physical and moral caliber for a lifetime of service to the Indian Air Force and the nation. Today, these young entrants who have joined from the National Defence Academy and universities all over the country would be commissioned as worthy Indian Air Force officers who would go on to achieve the Indian Air Force motto of touch the sky with glory. After the parade halts, it would present general salute to the Honorable Raksha Mantri in a reviewing order.